Ladies and gentlemen, let's go back to the BJP headquarters. Let's not move out immediately. Let's go back and see what's happening there. And I'll soon start the program. Let's go back to the ambience.
आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, आदरणीय राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी और बाकी
Louder.
सभी नेताओं का बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूं। सभी कार्यकर्ताओं को नम्र निवेदन है कि यहां से अभी लौटते समय
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome. You've just heard the Prime Minister at the BJP headquarters making what I can only call is a very clear and unequivocal speech. Before I go into the results of the day, I want to focus on what the Prime Minister said, or rather let me turn it around. Let me start with my understanding of the results of the day. The headlines of the day are the following. No party in the history of this country or since the formation of the state of Haryana has ever won a third term in Haryana. This has never happened before. There have been only two previous instances of two consecutive governments. Hence, we must understand the historic significance of a hat-trick in Haryana. It's completely unexpected, and it proves that the BJP is back to its winning ways. Ladies and gentlemen, Haryana is a state which has a history of wipeouts. Severe anti-incumbency every 5 years. To win after 10 years is beyond historic. It proves without doubt that the Modi factor is back in a big way. So all the cynics, all those people who said the Modi factor is becoming weaker should eat their words tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, it is so historic, that the vote share of the BJP in 2024 is higher than what it got 10 years back. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the BJP winning on a huge Modi wave. Let's be unequivocal about it. The Chief Minister was changed 6 months back. And of course, this is in a way an endorsement of the Chief Minister, but it is a vote for the BJP and for Narendra Modi. This is a mandate in favor of Prime Minister Modi. This is a return of the Modi wave. And this is proven further by the fact that while Omar Abdullah will be the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, every statistician will have to agree today that the biggest headline also is the fact that the biggest single party in terms of vote share in Jammu and Kashmir is the Bharatiya Janata Party with 26% vote share and 29 seats just behind the National Conference. That's huge. Don't downplay the significance of these things. In fact, I'll be very curious to see what kind of headlines the Lutyens media comes out with tomorrow. They're so funny, the Lutyens media. They have no idea of politics. They have no idea of reality. They just have a vested agenda. And I want to see what explanation they have for the wipeout in Haryana and for the pathetic 6 seats that the Congress party has got in Jammu and Kashmir. Ladies and gentlemen, the headline is the Congress party has folded up in Jammu and Kashmir. 11% vote and 6 seats.
0 in Jammu.
This is the arrogance. 0 in Jammu. This is the arrogance of the Congress party, which is the result which can be seen in these election results. Ladies and gentlemen, my next point is that all the people who said 370 hat jayega to Kashmir jal jayegi, and Mehbooba Mufti had said koi kandha dene wala nahi hoga inke janaze mein. You remember that? There'll be nobody to carry their coffin or something like that, he said. Today, she has been wiped out in the Kashmir Valley, which proves there is enough nationalism in this country. And also, ladies and gentlemen, in the Kashmir Valley, Mehbooba Mufti has been wiped out. But the big story, and now I'm coming to what the Prime Minister said. I love the way the Prime Minister spoke. I love the way he spoke about one clear thing. He said, there is a conspiracy against our country. Then he said, there is a global conspiracy against our country. And then, ladies and gentlemen, in a statement of tremendous seriousness, political, geostrategic and global significance, the Prime Minister of India the Prime Minister of the world's largest democracy, the Prime Minister and the head of the government of the world's most populous nation, has said that the Congress party is part and is involved in a global conspiracy against India. I don't think the Prime Minister would have made a statement like that without having enough information with him, which means the Prime Minister has information. And the Prime Minister not just suspects, but is probably aware of things that the Congress party is doing, which is why he's saying that the Congress party is conspiring with global entities / powers / individuals who are involved in a global conspiracy against their own country. I think it is time that Rahul Gandhi explains what really is it that he signed in that agreement with the Chinese in the presence of Xi Jinping, with his mother Sonia Gandhi standing right behind him. Is that what the Prime Minister was referring to? Did Rahul Gandhi meet BNP leaders from Bangladesh while on a trip to London before the US-sponsored coup in Bangladesh? Rahul Gandhi must clarify. Is that what the Prime Minister was speaking about? Why did Rahul Gandhi go and meet the Chinese diplomats for lunch when our forces were fighting in Doklam? Is that what the Prime Minister was speaking about? Did Rahul Gandhi meet certain suspicious State Department officials who are involved in regime change operations of the US State Department, who have links with the CIA, who have links with the deep state of America during his America trip or elsewhere? Is that what the Prime Minister was referring to? Is there some global NGO conspiracy, some group of global entities who are working against India's sovereign economic and geopolitical interests, which the Congress party is involved in? Is that what the Prime Minister was referring to? But I'm glad the Prime Minister has said it. If you remember, viewers, I've been saying this for a long time. I put 2 and 2 together and some things don't add up. We saw what happened in Bangladesh and we felt there was a foreign hand. It was not just our suspicion. It was our analysis of the situation. It's very significant, therefore, what the Prime Minister has said. Also, the Prime Minister has used the word urban Naxal, friends. He has said that the Congress party is hatching a conspiracy against the EC, the army, the Supreme Court, but most importantly, today's verdict really proves that this attempt to divide farmers has failed. Farmers, if they had been against the BJP would not have swept Haryana. Ladies and gentlemen, where did this love of Rahul Gandhi for Dalits, Adivasis and OBCs come from? Have no doubt about it. The Prime Minister was referring to Rahul Gandhi when he said in that speech that people who have had a 5-star life, who are born not with a silver but with a golden spoon in their mouth, they want to instigate and provoke Adivasis, Dalits and OBCs. And there is no doubt the Congress party had attacked Ambedkar, isolated Ambedkar, humiliated Ambedkar and insulted Ambedkar. And that's why the Prime Minister said that the Gandhi family hates Dalits, Adivasis and OBCs, and he was unequivocal about it. Let there be a response. Let the Congress party say we didn't. But it is proven in Haryana that Dalits voted against the Congress party, which is a lesson to Rahul Gandhi and his 5-star NGO-type fake lobby, which thinks that by saying that there should be a quota for caste in the Miss India competition, people will be fooled. Which thinks that when you go to a railway worker, when you go to a railway man, when you go to a locomotive worker and say, "Tum kis jaat ke ho?" When you want to divide the Indian railways on the basis of caste, instead of uniting the country, they think it will work. It's very good the Prime Minister said very clearly. Ladies and gentlemen, the biggest point today is that anti-national politics will not work. And the question today also is that there are severe questions about Rahul Gandhi, never been a serious politician, was jumping around too much. But, ladies and gentlemen, let's be very clear. Politics has changed all over again. All the people who over the last 4 months, 5 months were building a narrative, Congress party is back, have nowhere to hide today. The Congress party has been wiped out in 2 elections where it had its best chance, which was its election to lose. And Rahul Gandhi heading towards maybe his 55th straight loss, I don't know, 88th. This is the situation, Sonia Gandhi. Your son has just gone for his 88th. He is going to soon have a century of losses. And yet there are some people sitting in London and in Washington who want to promote him. Best of luck to them. Politics will never be the same again. Hashtag BJP win again. Ladies and gentlemen, here's what happened, and then we debate.
Since the 4th of June, the Congress has maintained the narrative that their party is making a comeback.
इस चुनाव में 3 संभावनाएं हैं। पहली संभावना तो ये है कि पूरे हरियाणा में कांग्रेस की हवा चलेगी। दूसरी संभावना ये है कि हवा नहीं, कांग्रेस की आंधी चलेगी हरियाणा में। तीसरी संभावना ये है कि सुनामी चलेगी यहां पे कांग्रेस की।
At 9 a.m. this morning, when the postal ballots were being counted, the Congress was already celebrating. In Haryana, the same Congress which was confident of winning 60+ seats after the exit polls has been completely taken aback by the BJP sweep.
कांग्रेस को मेजोरिटी मिल रही है, डिवीजन क्रिएट किया जा रहा है। बहुत सारी सीटें हैं कि आप में डटे रहो, मेजोरिटी आ रही है।
निराशाजनक है नतीजे। हम सुबह तक हमें पूरी उम्मीद थी। हमारे सभी वर्कर बहुत निराश हैं।
It's a vote against the caste census overdrive nationally.
जाति जनगणना होगी, नेशनल लेवल पे होगी, और मैंने कहा है मोदी जी के सामने पार्लियामेंट हाउस में, आप करो ना करो, मैं इसको इसी हाउस में पास करवाऊंगा, आपके मुंह के सामने करवाऊंगा।
A vote against Agniveer fear-mongering. A mandate against the Khatakat freebie promise.
बंद कमरों में कांग्रेस के नेता आप लोगों के लिए यही कहते हैं, कभी जात पात के नाम पर कहीं एक समाज को दूसरे से लड़ाकर कांग्रेस इस देश से देशभक्ति को ही चूर चूर करना चाहती है।
But the Congress party is blaming Election Commission and EVMs again.
3 या 4 जिलों से बड़े गंभीर शिकायत आए हैं, वो सब कल या परसों हम चुनाव आयोग के सामने पेश करेंगे।
Meanwhile, in Jammu and Kashmir, the National Conference is all set to form the government. Its strike rate way ahead compared to the Congress party, which has clocked its worst showing in Kashmir. Notably, during the campaigning in Kashmir, Umar Abdullah seemed unhappy with Rahul Gandhi's efforts.
And unfortunately, Congress hasn't done as much in the plains of Jammu as we would expect them to do. The lion's share of the seats that the alliance gave in Jammu was to the Congress party. Yet the Congress's campaign in Jammu is yet to begin, and there are only 5 days of campaigning.
Is the verdict a possible national mood indicator ahead of the Jharkhand and Maharashtra battles? Has the Himachal financial crisis served as a national wake-up call even in Haryana? Has India expressed its stern rejection of this resurgence of caste-based politics? And finally, is the Modi wave intact nationally?
ये भारत के संविधान की जीत है, भारत के लोकतंत्र की जीत है।
Okay, viewers, on the debate this evening, we have with us, let's introduce everyone. We have Romesh Sabharwal of the Congress, Anmol Pawar of the Aam Aadmi Party, Anurag Bhadoria of the Samajwadi Party, Iftikhar Misgar leans towards the National Conference, Sheikh Hamid of the Congress Party from Jammu and Kashmir. We also, ladies and gentlemen, have with us Ramneek Singh Mann, right-leaning political analyst Ashok Pandit. Shazia Ilmi of the BJP is on the debate. Ratan Sharda will be with us after some time. Shazia has absolutely loved the way that the Prime Minister of India took on the Congress today. And it's an anti-national party, part of a global conspiracy, Abhishek. Global conspiracy against India, anti-Dalit, hates Dalits, hates Adivasis, hates OBCs, insults them. The Gandhi family hates them. But most importantly, global conspiracy against India. He's quite unequivocal today. He was giving it back. Was it only because of the results or because of what he's been seeing of late? And your analysis of the results, please. Shazia, why don't you start the debate today?
So first of all, I'd like to say, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Pehlwan, or Jai Samvidhan. I think people of Haryana have spoken, and I just heard the Prime Minister speak and give one of the most brilliant and inspiring speeches. In fact, some of us who are not career politicians, who really want India to go places, we feel so inspired and enraptured when we hear the words of Prime Minister. So he encapsulated the vision that he has for Haryana, for the country, what he stands for, and he talks about good governance always wins.
Please take this
and I
grid
think
off.
that's so important. He also talked about something very basic. And what he said was that, you know, it's time people finally vote for themselves. When
Take
you
the
vote
grid
for
off.
other parties, you're voting for other families. So it's time people vote for their own families. Because if you vote for your own families, you know that your family will
Yes.
benefit. Whether it's so many welfare schemes which have never happened. So I think it's just brilliant. You know, I was absolutely like, it's an
Volume up.
inspiring moment for me when I hear Prime Minister. And it is true that there are forces at work. There are sinister forces. Rahul Gandhi cannot redeem himself after the way he has conducted himself on foreign soil, all Indian
Yes,
soil.
Mr. Sabharwal.
And people remember
Mr.
that.
Sabharwal.
People remember that.
Yeah.
People are not going to let Rahul live this down. So it is terrible, display by the Congress party, even worse in J&K, 6 seats. So clearly something has gone wrong. And it's also the defeat of the...
Absolutely. Get Ramesh Sabharwal on air, please. Ramesh Sabharwal on air will respond to this. The Prime Minister also said, Ramesh Sabharwal, the Prime Minister also said, and let me complete, look here on the left. The Prime Minister said, you are a Parjivi party. You're a parasitic party. You're a Parjivi party. You're a parasitic party is not even on air. Parjivi, parasitic party that has no base on its own, that has no standing on its own. Look to your right, Mr. Sabharwal. Look to your right, Mr. Sabharwal. Look to your right. Look to your right. Idhar dekhiye. Idhar dekhiye.
Election Commission of this country is a parasite for the Prime Minister.
One minute. Just
What did you just say?
No, 1 minute.
What did he just say?
I want.
really object to
Prostrate
take a break.
in front of the house of the Prime Minister. How dare he has told the Congress party as an anti-national party.
Not just an anti-national party, but an anti-national party.
Congress.
But an anti-national party, a Parjivi party, a parasitic party that, according to the Prime Minister, is connected to a global conspiracy against India.
He has manipulated the election with the help of the EC. They are a parasite. They are parasite for him. Ambani, Adani, and EC are parasite for the BJP. The people of Haryana have not rejected us. They have given us equal number of votes. The AAP party has taken us 2% votes.
Oh!
Has
Attacks
taken
up!
2% votes.
Attacks up!
And lot of ticket wrong distribution.
Attacks up! Anmol, come into the debate. Raghav Chadda, sometime back, what did he say, Abhishek?
He said, had the alliance been there, things could have been...
Had the alliance been there, things could have been better. Whose job was it to make the alliance happen? Was it not the Congress party's job? Open fight, ladies and gentlemen, happening between the Congress party and the Aam Aadmi party. And the Congress party says on my program and has been saying all through the day that if there's one party responsible for its defeat in Haryana, it is the Aam Aadmi party.
We should have done an alliance with them.
No, you didn't do the alliance.
We did a mistake.
You did a mistake. How far did it go? How many seats would you have given them?
India Alliance will fight because the manipulative parasite has to be given a lesson by the India Alliance. Every state...
Which India Alliance?
India Alliance will
Which
fight.
India Alliance?
We should have given one ticket to Samajwadi Party in a Yadav bench.
Oh,
in a Akhilesh Yadav.
oh, right. Oh, well, you say now... He says now, we should have taken and given seats to Aam Aadmi party. Why didn't they? He says we should have given a few seats to Samajwadi party. Did anyone offer Akhilesh? I want a response from Anmol. Anmol, this post-facto thinking requires a response from you.
Arnab, I think that the Congress seemed to be overconfident because certainly if the alliance had formed, we would have contested election more strongly, but it didn't materialize. But now it serves no purpose to discuss this, but the fact remains that the people of Haryana have 2% people of Haryana have voted for Aam Aadmi Party. They believe in the Kaam Ki Rajniti of Arvind Kejriwal. And things would have been different if our leader would not have been put behind bars by the Bharatiya Janata Party. All our senior leaders were incarcerated in a false and fabricated so-called liquor scam, wherein they are getting raps from the Honorable Supreme Court day in and day out. So we would have been in a position. We would have been in a position to win this election because the way this Arvind Kejriwal model of governance is resonating with the people of this country. People want the basic necessities of life. People want free electricity. People want free water. People want education and healthcare.
Are you stating that you have no faith in the courts of India? What are these false cases?
No,
who decides the false cases? Are you blocking the judiciary of India? Are you telling the people of India that you have no faith in the courts?
That you don't have any direct evidence against Mr. Kejriwal. That he was kept behind bars without any proof.
Are you saying
that this case will fall flat in 2 minutes.
Is that your official
These are
position?
very serious observations which were made by the Honorable Supreme Court.
Same as that
and it was not just about Mr. Arvind Kejriwal's bail. Even while Mr. Sisodia was granted bail, the Supreme Court made similar observations.
Are you saying that? Are you saying that? Because
I think you must answer the people of this country.
I think an important point the Prime Minister made today.
Why didn't the agency conduct
These are the urban
Naxal,
the Umar Khalid, the Tukde gang.
What were you waiting for if you were so confident?
Thank you for admitting it. Anmol, thank you very much for admitting it, that you are part of Umar Khalid gang. That you very much believe in that you have no faith in the electoral processes. Unless you win Punjab and Delhi, you know you have decimated Congress. You know you're responsible for what has happened to Congress in both the states. So do not play coy now and naive because we all know better. And you know very well.
And we will decimate you again this time in the upcoming assembly elections.
It is the courts of India.
You have failed to compete against Arvind Kejriwal model of governance.
And you also know
that is why you put Mr.
I think an important point.
But because
an important point,
ideas and policies.
An important point tonight also, and this is really sad, Ashok Pandit, Iftikhar Misgar. It's very sad for the people from this Lutyens ecosystem, you know. They've been saying Congress party back, 90 seats, ho gaya. Abhi, now it is very clear that it was a blip for the Congress. They're back to where they were. The reality is any political analyst looking at these results is going to say, Sheikh Hamid, don't mind this. The Congress party was a beneficiary of a little bit of the BJP's Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan internal issues, which was seen to be pro-Congress. It was not. This is the real performance of the Congress. Second point is this, Sheikh Hamid. Without consolidated Muslim vote, Congress can't win anywhere. Third point, Sheikh, is that Hindu voter is totally with BJP. This attempt to divide and break Hindu vote, Ratan Sharda, I want you to comment on it. Break the Hindu vote. Do Dalit OBC politics, team up and do the mathematics with Muslims, and that will change things. That's over right now. Ratan Sharda, plain and simple. I'll come to you right now. Ratan Sharda, then I'll come to you.
Congress did not win even a single seat in Hindu majority area in Jammu. Right? They won on the shoulders of NC. NC very clearly said they worked below par. So Congress is like a parasite riding on the shoulders of other parties. It has become a parasite, you very rightly pointed out. See, biggest victory for BJP is that casteism has been thrown out of the window. Every caste voted according to its own preference. All this casteism, divisive agenda, nothing worked in Haryana. I had said after last elections that Congress had got maximum vote of polarized Muslim votes and also the SC/ST with their fake news But after that, from where will they get more votes? And it is proven in Haryana that this kind of hate politics, divisive politics has been rejected totally. Haryana, which has been called, muscular Jat land, we must rebrand it because it's more wise electorate which has given votes according to their preference. They have voted to two parties. They have rejected family-oriented parties in the complete state, including Congress also found that its own Jat theory doesn't work. And look at the divisive agenda. How will it work? And also remember, this is a victory of Karyakartas of BJP. Because they worked on the field and because they realized the mistake they made in 2024, what did Congress learn?
No.
You cannot repeat
Congress
the same
party
fake
learned
news,
nothing, and my question
again
is
and again.
my question is to
In
Sheikh and to
Jammu
Ramesh
again,
Sabharwal on this. You see, Congress party has
BJP
thought,
vote
Ratan
share has
Sharda,
increased.
sorry to interrupt, but Congress party's thinking is, Sheikh, that get Muslim Dalit vote together, right? Instigate Dalits, instigate OBCs, and instigate Muslims. Put
Dalits
the
did
three
get
together.
instigated, they realized.
Put the three together, and instigate employees of the Indian Railways. Get American assistance. Get American assistance. Praise China. Hope for intervention with foreign powers. But you see, this politics is rubbish, useless politics. You see, on the other hand, the BJP tactfully learnt the lessons from the Lok Sabha elections. Garib Yuva Annadatta Nari. Focus on women, right? लाडो लक्ष्मी योजना गेम चेंजर इन मध्य प्रदेश. काम करना पड़ता है. गैस सिलेंडर्स 500 अंडर हर घर गृहिणी योजना. फार्मर्स इशू 24 crops for farmers were declared as minimum support price. नहीं काम करना पड़ता है. No, they learned the lesson. They worked on the ground.
प्राइम मिनिस्टर की मीटिंग फ्लॉप थी हरियाणा के अंदर.
आप देखिए,
गांव में घुसने नहीं दिया जा रहा था.
Prime Minister
बीजेपी को घुसने नहीं दिया.
Okay, Sheikh. Let Sheikh come in.
Your excitement is understandable. Why you are so excited? Wipeout didn't happen in Haryana. It happened in Kashmir. How many seats BJP won from Kashmir? And is he the prime minister of largest democracy of the world? Is he the
More
prime
than
minister?
last time.
Ashok will respond to you.
He's
Sheikh and Ashok
report is that urban
Kashmir had
national
a
rhetoric,
free and fair election.
continuously saying the same
People
thing.
came without the
So
shadow
what kind
of
of
a
speech
gun.
he gave today?
Tell me one thing.
Appreciate that.
Sheikh, I can understand your disappointment. I can understand your disappointment. Yes, he's saying it. He's saying it.
Are we anti-national?
He's saying it.
No,
He's saying it. He's saying it.
Unfortunate.
He's saying it.
Unfortunate.
It will have to be answered.
He doesn't deserve to be there.
It will have to be countered. No, one minute. No. Did your leader have a meeting with Donald Lu?
Winning more than 36 seats in Haryana, it's a wipeout
Did
for you.
Rahul Gandhi meet Donald Lu
not
of the
winning a
US
single
State
seat
Department
isn't a
during his
wipeout.
trip?
Tell me
Why
how
did he
many
meet?
seats- tell me
Why
how
did he
many
meet?
seats BJP won
Why
from
did he
this?
meet the anti-India lobby in Washington? Why was he sitting
Who told
and
you?
having meetings? Listen to me.
No,
Shouting over me is not an answer. I am asking you a question.
Single seat from Jammu.
Prime Minister is asking. See, I'll tell you one thing. See, okay, should I open the
You
phone
are
lines?
lying on the national television.
Should I open the
You are
phone
saying
lines?
that we didn't win a
Should
single
I
seat
open the
from
phone
Jammu.
lines? Should I open the phone
From
lines?
Jammu.
Guys, chill, yeah, you lost. What can I do?
Complete wipeout for BJP in Kashmir. Not a single seat they won from Kashmir.
Sheikh.
They were making a big statements. Prime Minister of India came to Lal Chowk, came to Kashmir, held a rally there, campaigned for his.
Okay, go on. Ashok Pandit. Now Ashok Pandit and Sheikh Rashid on 50-50 windows right now. Okay, you stop now. He speaks. You don't speak over him. 1 minute. Sheikh, pull back 10 seconds.
Tarakki hui. Where is Tarakki? Are people happy? You see the numbers on the screen. Numbers are on the screen. Are Kashmiris happy? They gave a befitting reply to the Prime Minister of India. They gave the befitting reply to the politics of BJP.
You know, the problem with you, with Congress and the National Conference and other political parties in Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir is that for you, the definition of normalcy is not free and fair elections. For you, the definition of normalcy is rape, murder.
That's why democracy was hijacked. That's why
Let him speak.
we have only leaders trying to make them leaders, trying to project the leaders.
Ashok Pandit, your mic is not working. Somebody come in immediately and change his mic because I can't change the course of the debate because the mic is not working. Studio producers, please come and save Ashok Pandit's mic. Till then, the question is Iftikhar Misgar. It was said.
Actually,
They're
their
coming in.
See,
To replace one minute. The question is Iftikhar Misgar. Was there an election in Jammu and Kashmir? Yes. Did they say there will never be an election
there-
in Jammu and
there-
Kashmir? Yes. Was
I
there
hope-
maximum voting? Yes.
I hope
Did the
Arnab-
government get elected? Yes. Did the BJP get its highest ever share? Yes. Did the Congress party get wiped out in Jammu? Yes. Did the Congress party get evaporated in Kashmir? Yes. Did you win the election? Yes. Did your party say there will never be a peaceful election in Jammu and Kashmir? Yes. Was there record voting? Yes. Who organized the election?
If you allow me
Who has organized the
talk
election?
without...
Iftikhar Misgar only, please. Iftikhar Misgar is his name.
If you allow
And he
me
will
to-
speak now.
One second,
One
Amir.
minute, be
If
quiet.
you allow me to
Yeah,
talk
I allow you.
without
Talk about
heckling.
the
I allow.
performance in
And
Kashmir.
the way you allowed Shazia to talk without any heckle, without any shor sharaba. See, Arnab, I'll go with your points.
Ashok Pandit.
The way on the start of this debate, you said you were repeating the speech of Narendra Modi.
Window for them.
See, Narendra Modi wanted to divide the people of Kashmir on the basis of ST. And those ST people have shown him the doors today. All the 6 seats went to the kitty of National Conference and Congress. It is Narendra Modi who started this division on the name of illegal and undemocratic delimitation, wherein he created these ST seats, which was not at all.
I don't want to disturb you. 1 minute.
See,
who took the political decision to have elections in Jammu and Kashmir?
After
Name the person. Was it or not
Supreme
Narendra
Court.
Modi?
Supreme
Was it
Court.
Narendra Modi or not?
Supreme Court.
Endorsed
Supreme
it.
Court.
Supreme Court stood by it.
10 years.
Don't give legislative powers to the court. Don't you give legislative powers to the court. You're wrong there.
Arnab, it took,
1 minute. Yeah, 1
it
minute.
took him 10 years to find out a space in Kashmir. But unfortunately, Kashmiris have not forgotten and Kashmiris will not forget. We remember...
No, Kashmir was hijacked. Elections were rigged.
It was a
Both of them on the screen on one window.
A loot for more than 50 years. Have shown the decision of Bharat.
Both of them on one window shot, please. Camera 2 on them.
A genocide of the entire community. Jammu Kashmir.
Close in. Camera.
Killing people
Zoom in.
for continuously 50 years, and you want things to change.
Together, one angle shot. Camera 2.
Change in 5 years. You have looted this country. You have coincided with Pakistan. You are responsible for the genocide. You kept on killing people. You kept on looting people. You kept on blasting people. BJP arrested and kept them in jail. It was the same Umar Abdullah. He was behind bars. Everything wrong by this government.
Wait. I'm going to come to you.
People of
1 minute. 1 minute.
People of Kashmir. You created.
Look at debate. Direct debate. Iftikhar, face it. Iftikhar, face it.
You created genocide in Kashmir. You created mayhem. You looted this country for last 50 years. What Kashmir? You created terrorism. What you were into business of terrorism. Pandits. You were into business of terrorism. Sushil Pandit, you are betraying Kashmir.
Ashok Pandit.
You are betraying Kashmiri Pandits. You are betraying Kashmiri Pandits. Responsible. You are betraying Kashmiri Pandits.
Ashok Pandit.
What BJP has done to Kashmiri Pandits?
Wait.
Give me one single point.
They protected us.
Where?
Listen to me now.
Where?
They protected
Where?
us. When you killed us.
Close in.
When you
Don't move out.
Yes,
when you genocide us.
You were
You threw us out.
Do you remember that medical shop owner?
BJP.
Do you remember that medical shop
We
owner?
are alive because
Close
of
it.
BJP.
Do you remember that?
We are alive because of BJP. We are alive because of BJP.
People are getting...
Today, if I'm sitting in front of you, I'm giving you back. It's only because of
lost
BJP
military
and Bharat Thackeray.
Have you ever...
1 minute. Another point. Another important point. My conclusion to this part of the debate is only this. 1 minute, Ashok Pandit. My conclusion to this part of the debate is only this, that we must never forgive the people who said after the abrogation of 370 that democracy is dead, for they lied, they falsified facts, they created a conspiracy against the country, and today they will not celebrate the fact that in a peaceful election in Jammu and Kashmir with one of the highest vote shares, a new election has been, government has been elected. Now, I want to go to Anurag Bhadoria. 1 minute. Give me a break, guys. Arey yaar, pani pi lijiye. 1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute. No, how can you?
One sec.
You got tremendous lung capacity. I don't.
One sec. I just want to tell him. Bharat Sahab, एक second. I just want to tell you that today, if I'm sitting in front of you and giving it back to you, is only because of BJP, because they protected us when you killed us, when you raped us.
You are the whole Kashmir Pandit community.
Because I'm
sorry to say that BJP.
Tell me one thing.
BJP.
Tell me.
That's okay.
Have you voted
today?
Have you voted?
Jagmohan.
Have you voted?
Jagmohan.
Pandit,
Have you voted?
Jagmohan was the person who protected us.
Have you voted?
You were the person.
Have you voted?
Forget voting.
As a Kashmiri Pandit, have you voted?
I voted.
Was it?
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
As a Kashmiri Pandit, I voted.
Kashmiri
Don't take my
Pandit voted in
examination.
favor of
Don't
Congress
take my examination.
and
Don't take my
Ladies and gentlemen,
examination.
just 1 minute.
Understand?
Okay, ceasefire!
India.
Ceasefire between both of you. My next question is this, viewers. As you are... Okay, now, Ashok, you got to give me a break. I can't compete with you. I'm telling you one. Thank God for that.
I know how to
Drink
vote.
a little bit of water and please, you know, I don't know. I worry about your oxygen levels. Now, please listen to me. My question is...
I thank Bal Thackeray and I thank BJP for protecting me.
अशोक पंडित, मैं भी इधर बैठा हूँ आपके पास में, थोड़ा बोलने के मौका दीजिए भाई, please. Now the question is, viewers, that if you've noticed Indian politics over the last few days, Abhishek, there is one fellow. He goes from this place to that place. He says all kinds of things. He goes to America and says Hinduism is caste, caste is Hinduism, everything about Hinduisam is caste. कुछ अता पता नहीं है, कुछ भी बोलते हैं. Then he says हम शक्ति के खिलाफ प्रदर्शन करेंगे, है ना? It's like saying we will fight.
Setting up factories.
And then he says, then he says, Shazia, then he came with a brainwave. He went somewhere and he says, if we have to change the country, and serious, Ravish Savarwal ji, don't laugh. He says कि जब तक हम SC, ST, OBC reservation नहीं लाते हैं Miss India competition में, I don't know why he's obsessed about Miss India competition. कि Miss India competition में हमें दलित कोटा करना पड़ेगा, तभी देश का भला होगा. और problem is last 4 months, Abhishek. Anything he says, Lutyens lobby goes wah wah. They said what a brilliant thing he said about the Miss India competition. What? No, tell me. Where was the caste factor? This whole caste census arithmetic इसका क्या हुआ? In Haryana.
Gone in the dumps, because this is the first time perhaps Congress party included caste surveys, one of the guarantees, and it has lost so miserably. So I think it's a commentary on the caste census promise, which means there is a complete disconnect between the Congress leadership and the people of the country, particularly the youth. They don't care about the caste. They don't care about the caste. They don't care about the caste. And that's why they have voted in a manner to boot out the Congress party. And the Congress is oblivious of that reality on the ground.
Election Commission tool.
Shake. I will. But on the caste factor, no, 1 minute. Caste factor, I want to say a couple of things here. Just give me 2 minutes, everyone. If you can have pin drop silence for 2 minutes. Thank you. OBCs account for 35% of Haryana's population, followed by Jats at 20 to 22%, Dalits at 20%, which means OBC and Dalits is about 55.17%. Okay? And that's where the Congress party has lost. Out of the 16 SC and ST reserve seats in Jammu and Kashmir, viewers of Republic, 8 seats, which is 50% of the total reserve seats, have been won not by the Congress but by the BJP.
Oh, come
One minute. You don't understand.
Why don't you count ST seats?
Iftikhar Misgar, one. Now there are 17 SC seats, reserve seats in Haryana. 6 have been won by the BJP. Basically, people from all castes and communities have totally voted for the BJP. This is after Anurag Bhadoria. Anurag Bhadoria, don't go. Come back. आपको जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Come back, because I know आप मेरा अगला सवाल जो है उससे आप awkward feel करेंगे. 1 minute. अनुराग भदौरिया बैठ जाइए.
हाँ नहीं बिल्कुल
नहीं बैठ जाइए. 2 मिनट. आपको ही सवाल है.
थिएटर देख के परेशान हूँ.
नहीं थिएटर नहीं.
आपका जो थिएटर चल रहा है
आपको
जिसमें कैमरा टू वे कैमरा फोकस वो और हाथ लगा. मैं भैया मैंने सोचा मैं थिएटर देखने आया हूँ.
ठीक है, तो मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि आपकी जो जाति की राजनीति जो है,
कभी पंडित पे फोकस करो, कभी उन पे फोकस करो. कैमरा फोकस
क्यों नहीं करो
कि हम लोग डिबेट करने आए थे, कुछ कहने आए थे, यहाँ तो कैमरा फोकस.
आज आप कैमरा से भाग क्यों रहे हैं? Why is he running away, Shazia? आज अनुराग भदौरिया भाग क्यों रहे? शाजिया एंड अनुराग होंगे.
मुझे लगा
शाजिया एंड अनुराग.
नहीं मुझे लगा राजनीतिक बात होगी. नहीं मुझे लगा राजनीतिक बात नहीं होगी. नहीं सुनिए साजिया जी, मुझे लगा कि आज राजनीतिक बात नहीं होगी. आज यहाँ पे थिएटर चल रहा है तो हमने सोचा थिएटर बाद में देख लेंगे. थोड़ी देर वो चिल्ला रहे,
आपका तो बहुत ही महाभारत
कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं. फोकस टू वे कैमरा फोकस हो जा रहा है. फिर वो पंडित जी और चिल्लाने लग रहे हैं. अशोक पंडित जी, उनको लग रहा है टू वे कैमरा फोकस हो रहा है. फिर दूसरे जो
आपको अफसोस हुआ,
अरे हमने भैया
कैमरा फोकस हो रहा है. अनुराग भाई बात बताइए.
इसमें क्या हम तो बात
नहीं, आप फिर होकस फोकस ना
कि
कीजिए।
कुछ राजनीतिक बात करेंगे।
आप बताइए तो।
कुछ साजिया जी को बताएंगे।
अनुराग
जी, आपकी पार्टी हरियाणा में जीती है। सुनिए, आपकी पार्टी हरियाणा में जीती है तो कम से कम आज तो नफरत की बात मत कीजिए। आप कह रहे हो कि आप
नफरत की बात कौन कर रहा है?
आप कह रहे हिंदू, अरे नहीं, आप हरियाणा के अंदर में दोनों को वोट परसेंटेज बढ़ावा मिला है। आपको 48 सीट मिली, उनको 37 मिली है। तो इसमें हिंदू मुस्लिम कहां से आ गया?
देश के खिलाफ
नफरत का होने आ गए।
देश के खिलाफ
सोचते हैं कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी जिसके साथ जाती है खत्म कर देती है। खत्म हो गई,
राहुल गांधी
चौटाला पार्टी खत्म हो गई। आप जिसके साथ गठबंधन करते हैं वो पार्टी खत्म हो जाती है। ये चिंता की बात है।
दुकानों में जो आप बेच रहे हैं वो माल बिक नहीं रहा है। आपकी दुकान में जो नफरत परोसी जा रही है वो ग्राहक ने उसको मना कर दिया, रिजेक्ट माल हो गया।
अनुराग लाउडा 50-50
रिजेक्ट हो गया।
Visuals in the middle.
फर्जी माल जो बिक रहा था आपकी
जेडीयू अभी उनके साथ है, देखो कितने दिन तक
फेल हो गया।
इसलिए मैं जेडीयू और टीडीपी के नेताओं से कहूंगा कि बीजेपी जिनके साथ रहती है उस पार्टी को खत्म कर देती है। आज जेजेपी खत्म हो गई हरियाणा से, नामो निशान मिट गया। चौटाला को 2000 वोट नहीं मिले, दुष्यंत चौटाला को 2000 वोट भी नहीं मिले। सोचो आप, ये हालत कर दी आपने।
अरे भाई
बीजेपी की।
रमन मालिक is on the debate.
सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोचती है, अपने बारे में।
Ramnik Maan is on the debate. Ramnik Maan as well.
वो अमर बेल है।
Ramnik Maan is on the debate. Sorry, not Raman Malik. Ramnik Maan, you want to reply to that? Ramnik, you want to reply to that? Anurag Bhadoria, भागिए मत। Ramnik Maan reply कर रहे हैं आपके। आप प्लीज भाग मत जाइए। आप प्लीज भाग मत जाइए। मेरा ओनली रिक्वेस्ट है, आप दौड़िए मत, आप बैठे रहिए।
अरे भाई, हम समाजवादी लोग भागते नहीं है। मैंने थोड़ा थिएटर चल रहा है, मैं पानी पी के आता हूँ, मैं भागता नहीं।
नहीं, थिएट्रिक्स तो भदौरिया साहब आपके भी बहुत अच्छे थे। थिएट्रिक्स तो आप भी कैमरा एंगल आपने भी बहुत घुमाया। थिएट्रिक्स आपके भी अच्छे थे अनुराग भाई।
अरे सर,
आपके भी अच्छे थे।
बोलिए
कैमरा फोकस आपने भी बहुत अच्छा थिएट्रिक्स करके दिखाया। आई रियली कमेंडेड। थैंक यू। तो अब मेरा समय है। अर्नब, आपको 2-3 चीजें दिखानी है, तो 2-3 आपसे बातें करनी है।
अनुराग, इनको बोलने दीजिए। अनुराग,
लेट मी स्पीक नाउ। अनुराग प्लीज, अनुराग यू हैड योर टाइम।
5 सेकंड फिर सर।
अरे यार अनुराग, आप यार समाजवादी पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय प्रवक्ता हो यार, हम जैसे नाचीजों को बात करने दिया करो यार, आप ऐसे मत करो।
नहीं पड़ता, अभी कैमरा फोकस आपके पर होगा, चिंता मत कीजिए। थोड़ा फोकस मेरे पर भी रहने दीजिए, 5 सेकंड दे दीजिए। मैंने कहा उत्तर प्रदेश
कैमरा फोकस, वॉल्यूम बढ़े।
नाम का एक सूरज है, जहां पे बीजेपी लोग लड़ने जब आते हैं
अनुराग 5 सेकंड हो गए, 5 सेकंड हो गए।
उत्तर प्रदेश में सूरज
अनुराग हो गए 5 सेकंड यार। अब छोड़ो, आप मेरे को बोलने दो।
के नाम का सूरज है, तो इसलिए ये आप बीजेपी को लेना चाहिए।
अरे अनुराग बस करो यार।
रमनीक रुकिए मत। रमनीक go on please. Rमनीक go on. Rमनीक,
look at this.
What is that? वो क्या है?
आलू सोना।
आलू।
It didn't work in Gujarat. It didn't work in Madhya Pradesh. He tried this.
जलेबी। रमनीक मान हरियाणा वाज
ये क्या है? जलेबी। रमेश सबरवाल अंदर आई। रमेश सबरवाल जलेबी खाइए।
जलेबी में
जलेबी didn't work in Haryana.
रमेश सबरवाल responding.
अभी मैं बताता हूँ, I'll tell you. Out of the 12 seats, Rahul Gandhi campaign, Congress lost 8. 12 में से 8 सीट कांग्रेस पार्टी हारी है। पहले तो आप ये समझ लो, और आप दूसरी बात समझो जो इंटरेस्टिंग है, जो किसी ने डिस्कस नहीं किया आज। हरियाणा हैज बिकम द गुजरात ऑफ द नॉर्थ। ये तीसरी बार सरकार हरियाणा में रिपीट होना प्रो इनकम्बेंसी की निशानी है। एंड प्रो सिटीजन, प्रो पीपल पॉलिसीज, चाहे वो बिना खर्ची पर्ची के नौकरी हो, चाहे डीबीटी हो, चाहे फसलों को 24 फसलों को परचेज करने की बात हो, चाहे सब्सिडाइज्ड आपके गैस सिलेंडर्स की बात हो। It is a clear sign of pro-incumbency. You have a new model. That is the. यार सबरवाल साहब, सबर करो यार, आप कब से बोल रहे हो?
सबरवाल सबर करो
यार, आपका स्विच टूटा हुआ यार, चुप करो।
Oh God!
बोलने दो यार। तो pro-incumbency की क्लियर निशानी है। You have Haryana as the Gujarat of the North, and it will be discussed as Haryana model in days and years to come. पहली चीज ये समझो, अगली समझो, मैं बताता हूँ आप कि राजदीप सारदेसाई, जैसे अभी अर्नब आप बात कर रहे थे ल्यूकन मीडिया की, अब राजदीप सारदेसाई हैज अनदर स्टेट टू लुक एट एंड ही हैज गॉट अनदर प्लेस टू क्राई एंड वाइन अबाउट। चाहे वो अब ईवीएम को लेकर रोना रोए। सी द फैक्ट स्टिल रिमेन्स कि जाति की बात हमेशा कांग्रेस पार्टी ने की। और बीजेपी की तरफ से चाहे वो प्रधानमंत्री हो चाहे वो उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री हो, they have emphasized कि बटोगे तो हम लोग। So it is a unified force that you are facing now. अभी 2-3 बातें यहाँ पे करी, चाहे वो आम आदमी पार्टी के प्रवक्ता थे, उन्होंने कहा कि डेसिमेट कर दिया। अरे डेसिमेट आप हुए 0.2% आपको वोट मिले हरियाणा में। यू आर द वन हु हैज बीन डेसिमेटेड। अभी कोई और कह रहे थे कि वाइप आउट कर दिया श्रीनगर से, कश्मीर से वाइप आउट कर दिया। अरे पहले कितनी सीट थी जो वाइप आउट कर दिया?
अरे आप हरियाणा जो स्केल आप हरियाणा में लगा रहे हो, श्रीनगर में क्यों नहीं लगा रहे?
हरा कुर्ता प्लीज यार।
सरदार जी पहले आप देखो कि आपकी गिनती बीजेपी में हो रही है।
6 साल से तो आप क्लेम कर रहे हैं कि हमारा है,
देता है कि नहीं देता है?
एक मिनट, इफ्तिकार साहब 2 मिनट रुक जाए। ओनली दोस ऑन एयर प्लीज। इफ्तिकार भाई रुक जाइए, इफ्तिकार भाई रुक जाइए।
ड्रामाबाजी देखने आए हैं? अरे आप वो बराबर देखो, खा लो।
इफ्तिकार भाई रुक जाइए, इफ्तिकार भाई रिक्वेस्ट, माय सिंसियर रिक्वेस्ट, प्लीज वेट।
हेलो,
1 मिनट। Anmol is countering you. Anmol Pawar is countering you. Anmol, now listen, Anmol.
Can I
I'm only going to say the swing that you thought 2024 result has delivered has failed. Don't hide behind a 2% vote share or a 0.52% vote share in Jammu and Kashmir. You are in trouble, Anmol. And Anurag.
ये नफरत की राजनीति
Arnab, can I respond?
पूरे हिंदुस्तान को समझने की जरूरत है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी को विश्वास हो चला है।
1 minute. Yeah, please respond along with please. 1 minute, please.
It was in 1962 when the first assembly election took place in Haryana, and it has took around 62 years for the BJP to achieve electoral success on their own, which is largely attributed to Modi's magic of division, corruption, deceit and oppression.
2014 अरे आम आदमी पार्टी की बात सुनो भैया। 2014 में बीजेपी got 47 seats at its own, and that was the time when Haryana did not enter the 50th year. It was 49 years, and BJP is not existing for 50 years. सुनो, कौन से सन में?
Can I respond, Arnab?
Yeah, okay. Ramnik, he got the point. Let him respond. Ramnik, he got the point. Yeah, he got the point. Yeah, let him respond now. Yeah, good. Yeah.
I didn't interrupt him. It took BJP 62 years to achieve this electoral success on their own for the very first time in Haryana due to Modi's magic of division, corruption, deceit and oppression. And in just over a decade since inspection, Aam Aadmi Party has gone from grassroots to a political force with representation in 5 states of this country. And we won with a brute majority twice in Delhi and once in Punjab.
Okay, so good luck for Delhi again. 2025 you are losing Delhi.
जो 3 साल में हमने हासिल किया।
Yes, but you got together with
losing Delhi big time.
Shazia, Anmol, the BJP says, Anmol, Shazia is responding to your point. The BJP expects this to follow through in Delhi. Please hear her point of view and then respond. Thank you so much. So kindly listen to her and then respond.
I need 30 seconds.
Listen to her and then respond.
You joined hands with Congress Party. Arvind Kejriwal was out. He campaigned and he lost all 7 seats in Lok Sabha seats in Delhi.
India Alliance.
So we all know what happens when you get together. And just how opportunistic your alliance is.
Because you are afraid with the pace with which Aam Aadmi Party is growing. जो हम लोगों ने
No, my dear friend, you were the one. What did you do in Gujarat? You cut into Congress Party's vote. You used Congress Party, and Congress Party was hoodwinked into believing that you could give any help to them. This is exactly what was illustrated by the Lok Sabha elections. That despite Arvind Kejriwal being out of jail,
एक आम आदमी से इतना डरते हो आप लोग, क्या राजनीति करोगे?
I'm going to spend the next 5 minutes. I'm going to spend the next 5 minutes of this very, 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 very important debate tonight. In which I am of a view that this is the return of the Modi wave. I would also like to share two or three points with you. I'd like to just make a couple of points. Once the Congress is removed from a state, people don't re-elect them. Last re-election Congress party won was in 2011 in Assam. It has been 13 unfortunate years for the Congress since the last re-election. Second point is that the Congress party's intense caste, morning, day and night, caste, Miss India competition, caste, Miss India competition, caste, Dalit, Muslim caste. This politics is irritating people of India. Am I right, Ratan Sharda? The youth, one minute. Ratan Sharda has not spoken even once. Ratan Sharda has not. Put Ratan Sharda on. Put him on it. Put him on it.
I have a small which says काट की हंडी बार बार नहीं चढ़ती. राहुल गांधी sticks a particular record. जात 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 अग्निवीर 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 ऑफिसर उच्च कास्ट अग्निवीर लो कास्ट ये कब तक चलेगा? हरियाणा ने कुश्ती वालों का गेम खत्म कर दिया.
कैमरा फोकस करो.
खत्म कर दिया. हरियाणा ने कैमरा खत्म कर दिया. हरियाणा ने जाट बुद्धि काम करने वालों को जिन्होंने दलित को इनकार किया, दलित नेता को, उनको साफ कर दिया. अब कब तक बात करेंगे? आप वाले इतना चिल्ला रहे हैं, आपको 1.5% वोट मिला, आप मेहनत करिए, आप टीवी डिबेट
60 साल में जो
नम्रता सीखिए, थोड़ी नम्रता सीखिए. बीजेपी नम्र चीज से जीती है. आप लोगों का घमंड इतना ज्यादा है, आपकी छलांग दिखा दे 10 फुट की.
This whole thing, no, one minute. Anything nowadays, anything. I'll tell you one thing. नहीं, मैं बोलूंगा. एक मिनट. Today Rahul Gandhi has reached a point. I want to tell you. Today Rahul Gandhi, Ratan Sharda has reached a point. अगर बारिश हो जाए वो बोलेंगे ओबीसी को कम बारिश मिली, SC ST मुस्लिम को कम बारिश मिली. वो हर चीज में और मैं बना के नहीं बोल रहा. आई एम टेलिंग यू. वो कहते हैं जुडिशरी में रिजर्वेशन क्यों नहीं है? बजट के पहले हलवा सेरेमनी में रिजर्वेशन क्यों नहीं है? नहीं. फिर कहते हैं मिस इंडिया कंपटीशन में रिजर्वेशन क्यों नहीं है? What is this? No, this is the reality. And I am telling you, viewers of Republic, do you support that? Do you like that? Do you want to rationalize that? Is that the future of our country? Mr. Sabharwal, I'm telling you, this is not and will never be the future of our country. The people of this country do not want Lalu Prasad Redux, Lalu Prasad 2.0, Lalu Prasad to the power of infinity. Anurag Bhadoria, ये जाति की राजनीति छोड़ दीजिए. हिंदुओं को डिवाइड करने की कोशिश बंद कीजिए, नहीं होगी.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी देश को बांट कौन रहा है?
अनुराग भदौरिया
समझते नहीं हो.
अनुराग भदौरिया स्पीकिंग.
हम सब हिंदुस्तानी हैं. इस तरह की बात
हम सब हिंदुस्तानी हैं, तो मिस इंडिया कंपटीशन में कोटा क्यों चाहिए? तो मिस इंडिया कंपटीशन में कोटा क्यों चाहिए राहुल गांधी को?
हिंदुस्तान में हम सभी हिंदुस्तानी हैं. भारतीय जनता
हार गए तो अभी बोल रहे सब हिंदुस्तानी है.
बोलते बड़ा अच्छा हो और आपके सारा काम जातिवाद का. यादवों की भर्ती पुलिस में, यादवों की भर्ती आपकी हर कॉर्पोरेशन में, और जब कोर्ट आपको लात मारती है आपको पता चलता है कि यादवों की भर्ती आप कर रहे हैं. आप कौन सी जाति का खेल रहे हो? आपका सारा खेल राजनीति का जाति पे चलता है.
कैमरा आप पे है.
आप पे लोहियावादी
म्यूजिक दे रहे हैं. चुप रहिए थोड़ा सा. बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक मत दीजिए.
कैमरा फोकस है. पूरा अशोक पंडित ने बिल्कुल कैमरा फोकस नहीं है.
रुकिए, कैमरा फोकस नहीं है. आप
कैमरा फोकस आप पे है.
नहीं,
आप अशोक पंडित बीच में रखिए. अशोक पंडित, व्हाट इज कैमरा फोकस आप पे है.
भदौरिया जी, एक्चुअली आपका पॉलिटिक्स आउट फोकस है, इसलिए आपको फोकस नहीं नजर नहीं आ रही है.
मुझे ये बताइए,
भदौरिया जी, आपका पॉलिटिक्स आउट फोकस है. आपका पॉलिटिक्स आउट फोकस है. आपका पॉलिटिक्स आउट फोकस है.
मैं और एक आई वांट टू मेक वन मोर पॉइंट. नो आई वांट टू नहीं अशोक पंडित, आई एम कमिंग बैक ऑन द डिबेट. अच्छा, वन मोर थिंग आई वांट टू से बिफोर द डिबेट ends. One more thing I want to say before अशोक पंडित, आप क्या खाते हैं ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए? आपके एनर्जी लेवल्स और आपकी लंग कैपेसिटी, आई एम टेलिंग यू, आप जलेबी खाते हैं ब्रेकफास्ट. टुडे आज इधर हमारे स्टूडियो में आने के पहले अशोक पंडित ने, मुझे लगता है, कहीं की जलेबी खाई है.
आप ही की कैंटीन की?
हमारी कैंटीन. ठीक है,
फोकस ठीक करिए भदौरिया जी. फिलहाल
चुनाव में बीजेपी हार जाएगी.
अपना फोकस ठीक करिए.
रहम करिए. मैं आ रहा हूं आपके पास. रहम करिए. रहम द क्वालिटी ऑफ mercy is not strained as it was in the Merchant of Venice said. रहम कीजिए हम पर. सवाल ये है मिस्टर सबरवाल जी, मेरे तरफ देख के एक सवाल का जवाब दीजिए. पूछता है भारत, नेशन wants to know. ईवीएम का क्या हुआ जब 60 ईवीएम 2009 जनरल इलेक्शन में जब आपको 206 सीट मिली तब ईवीएम चल रही थी. 2009 में हरियाणा में जब आपको 40 सीट मिली ईवीएम चल रही थी. 2023 में कर्नाटक के चुनाव में जब आपको 43% वोट शेयर मिली तब ईवीएम चल रही थी. मगर आज आप कह रहे हैं ईवीएम चल नहीं रही है. तो ये ईवीएम की लॉजिक हर बार आप हारते हैं. नो यू कांट डू इट. यू हैव बीन एक्सपोज्ड टुडे.
कश्मीर में ठीक है.
यू हैव बीन एक्सपोज्ड. व्हाट फाइट?
लड़ेंगे.
नो व्हाट फाइट?
जो गलत काम हो रहा है.
Who believes you? Should I open the phone lines?
अरे सर 40% वोट मिले हमको हरियाणा.
Abhishek, you have to. Abhishek, you have to come in. You can't let him get away with that.
Got 40% votes.
Abhishek, over to you.
40% votes where?
In Haryana.
So what? You lost the election still?
वो तो manipulative election.
But you got moral victory.
Manipulative.
But you got moral victory. Happy with
This is
that.
too much. Yeah, this is too much.
I give last word to Sheikh. Sheikh, last word. 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
I want 30 seconds.
You got it. You got it. You got it.
Let me take you back to Jammu and Kashmir. Listen, Mr. BJP, Mr. Narendra Modi. Listen,
you can refer to Shazia Ilmi. Narendra Modi is not on my debate.
Listen, Mr. Amit Shah.
No, you speak to Amit Shah is not on my debate.
Please,
Shazia Ilmi is there.
Uninterrupted.
No, but Shazia Ilmi.
Okay, no, fine. Let him
You snatched our state. You took away our rights. You took away Ladakh from us. You jailed our leaders. आपने हमारी रियासत छीनी.
Listen, Mr. Abdullah.
चुप करिए, सुनिए. आपने हमारी रियासत छीनी. आपने हमारी सियासत छीनी. You took away right to vote for last 10 years. After 10 years, the elections are happening in Kashmir. The results you got, it's a tight slap on your face. You don't exist in Kashmir.
But now you got your 30 seconds. You got 30 seconds. I want 5 seconds. इनको मैंने बोला. He said he wants 30 seconds, Shazia. I want 5 seconds. I want 5 seconds. I want 5 seconds.
आपने जेब पे हमला किया. आपने जेब पे हमला किया. हमारे खेत पे हमला किया. हमारे रेत पे हमला किया. Now people have shown you exit doors.
Thank you. Sheikh, okay. I am overshooting the time limit. I'm overshooting the time limit. But Sheikh, इधर देखिए. Look at me and listen to me. I'll tell you something that you need to know. I will tell you something that you need to know. I am saying, I am my spokesperson. I'm extremely happy because there's been an election in Jammu and Kashmir. Because there's been an election in Jammu and Kashmir.
has not been wiped out.
I'll tell you.
From Haryana, Congress has not been wiped out. But wipe-out has happened in Kashmir.
Look at me. Bring you down to reality and tell you one thing. Just listen to me.
Down.
You need 5 seconds here. I'll tell you one thing. I have 5 seconds. I'll tell you one thing. Listen to me. And can the camera bring him on with me? Sheikh, listen to me. लंबी सांस लीजिए. आप सरकार चला ले मगर 370 वापस नहीं ला सकते. तो वो ख्वाब देखना बंद कर दीजिए. ये नया जम्मू एंड कश्मीर है. Realize that is not with you. You have no right. It's a नया कश्मीर.
बात सुनिए.
आप ये नया कश्मीर है. ये नया. बैठ जाइए. 370 वापस नहीं आएगी.
हमारा होगा.
370 वापस नहीं आएगी.
हम जो कुछ
370 कभी वापस नहीं आएगी. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a pleasure to bring the debate to you, and I shall see you. And by the way, viewers, don't go away because on the other side is the victory speech of Narendra Modi. In case you missed it, we're doing a rerun in a couple of minutes on the other side.